Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are checking out the NERF Loadout ShadowSpeed Recon. Oh yeah! So here's what they got from our box. We have the main blaster, which is the NERF Loadout ShadowSpeed Recon. So this is a pump action blaster. We'll take a look at that more later. We have our 14 dart storage attachment, and we have our 14X N1 series darts. So here's our 14 dart storage attachment. So this is how we use this one. So you can store our darts on the actual attachment like so. So all 14 N1 series darts can fit into this attachment, and then on the under, like the belly of our blaster, you can attach this like so. So that's how you use the 14 dart storage attachment, and that's what it looks like once you attach it to our NERF Loadout ShadowSpeed Recon. If you want to remove it, pull on this orange tab like so, and there you go. So this is an optional attachment. You can use the blaster without this one if you didn't want it, or for aesthetics purposes, you can attach it to the blaster. So this is our NERF Loadout ShadowSpeed Recon. So let's go to the parts of our blaster. So on the end of our blaster, we have a stock attachment. We have our grip. Here's our trigger. And we have 4 of these tactical rails. So 1, 2, on the other side, 3, and then the 4th one is on top, this long one. I guess you figured you can attach any scope in here or sight. We also have like a dragon logo or branding on the side, on the right side rather, not on the other side. This is our barrel, which you can definitely use N Series attachments with in the future. This is not the old ones, it has to be the newer ones. So here is our 6 dart rotating cylinder. So this rotates like any other normal NERF blasters. So this takes 6 darts at a time, and 1 darts of course. And down here is our pump action arming mechanism. So you just pump this like so to arm our NERF Loadout ShadowSpeed Recon. So not much on the other side. It's just like the right side without the dragon branding on this part. Again, this is the NERF Loadout ShadowSpeed Recon. So we got this attachment from our NERF Shadowstorm. So we can use this one on our ShadowSpeed Recon through the stock attachment at the back or at the end of our blaster. So it fits just the same, like so. And there we now have a stock on our ShadowSpeed Recon. So you can use these attachments on the N1 series Nerf blasters. You just have to use the new ones or the newer attachments, which also comes within the N1 series blasters. So if we also attach our 14 dart attachment, so that's how our Nerf Loadout ShadowSpeed Recon looks like now, with the stock attachment and the 14 dart storage attachment. There you go, guys, with our quick unboxing and review of the Nerf Loadout ShadowSpeed Recon. So this design is a really good design in terms of color and the overall aesthetics of the blaster. It also comes with that patented rotating 6-cylinder dart, which we have seen on all door blasters. And this also comes with 14x of our N1 series darts. It does not come with a lot of attachments for us to play with, although this promises that if ever in the future we have other loadout blasters on our channel, we can play with this blaster again, because there are stock and barrel options available for this blaster, meaning you can attach newer barrels and stock to this particular blaster. So we're going to look out for those. And as you've seen, we have used the stock which came with our ShadowStorm on this specific blaster. So there really is a promise to have collaborations with other blasters in the future. We will look into that and we will definitely try them out. You have seen that on our firing test and on our chronograph test, it is at par with the normal range in terms of the FPS. It is a fun blaster to play with. The pump action reloading is a part of that fun. I think it has value, being not too pricey at all. We have a new color scheme. So in the future, as promised, we will look for other loadout blasters which we can find, and we will play with this blaster again and check out all those combinations which we can come up with using those accessories from other loadout blasters. If you have comments and inquiries for this blaster, please comment down below. We would also put purchase links in our video description if ever you wanted to own one and check the blaster for yourself. So there you go, guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified once we upload another one of our blaster reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
You win. Perfect. Hadouken!
So that's been it. This is Nerf Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.